Welcome back, guys. I'm Kolie and I'm here to do another unboxing and a review for Auset Gypsy Tarot, created by James Jacob Pierri. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and if you're new here, welcome. Let's get going and let's see what's in the box. It came today, you guys, so it came pretty late, so we're gonna dig right into it. So I already took off the plastic, as you can see, and this is the inside of the box. Let me turn it around so you guys can see that as well. Let's see, it has a 78 card deck, has a guidebook, as you can see. It doesn't state how many pages though. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump it right in. Okay, I'm just gonna flip through this and then we'll get to that in a sec. Let's get right into the deck. So this is the box. It separates basically. And has it a little flap on the side there. I will put the link in the description box below if you guys want to purchase this deck. I think I paid about $25, I believe, for the deck. So let's get this plastic off. And these are the side. It has gold trimming, which is beautiful. And let's see if this is the front. Okay, this is starting from 0. Let's start there. I'll put them together. I'm not too sure. So let me bring it down some so you guys can see it better. Okay, this is the full. That's cute. It looks like a death card in the back. The head, the skull. And I see the little doggy there. What's that in the back? And that looks like, is that a boat or something? Not quite sure. Maybe you guys can see that. But this is the back of the cards. Either way. And they feel, it feels like a matte finish. Nice grip on it. It's pretty sturdy also. Magician. I like that magician. Has the palm reading in the bag. He has all his tools. The cards. Is that a bag of money, I think, back there? Could be. It has everything. The High Priestess. Oh, that's pretty. She has all her books behind her. She looks sad though. Looks like a girl, a little ballerina in the back. That little girl there looks naked. Not sure what that is. Maybe a candle. The Empress. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be some naked ones in here. So if you don't want to see the naked part, then you can maybe fast forward, I guess. But that's cute. She's maybe breastfeeding her child. Emperor. Oh, that's a bird at the top. A Hierophant. He has a snake and a duck there. It says Una Kwai Esamania D aside, maybe. I think that's what it says in the writing there. They kind of stick together too. The lovers. That's beautiful. With the little baby at the top. with the baby has the arrow. Cupid. The Chariot. Justice. That's cute too. The Hermit. I'm loving this deck so far. Wheel of Fortune. Strength. Like that. She looks like she's dancing with the lion. The Hangman. He's naked too. At least he's turned around. Death. That's pretty. I like this death card. That is a gorgeous death. That's really pretty. The ballerinas in the background. That's pretty. Temperance. Like she's a mermaid. The Devil. I like this devil. They have some cute I would say that the cute devil and the death card, the cute ones that's supposed to be the not too good cards. The Tower. That tower is pretty too. The Star. There's 3 ladies on this one. And with fire, they look evil. Okay. It's not supposed to be evil, but I guess so. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment. The World. I like that. It's pretty too. I love the colors in it. Okay, what's this? I got these mixed. Maybe this may be the 2 of Pentacles. That's what it's looking like. The 3 of Pentacles. The 4 of Pentacles. The 5. So they have a lot of them that look alike. And I'm not sure if I like that. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. This is the Ace of Pentacles, and that's pretty. I like that one. Is that the King of Pentacles? Yeah, it looks like that's the double head. Double head on this one. Not quite sure what this one is. Maybe the page, or not sure. That's weird. That's not the page. This is the page. So I'm not sure which one is this one because it has C on it. Could be the cups. Couldn't be that. So that's confusing. The Queen of Pentacles. Maybe that's, I don't know, like the Child of Pentacles, maybe? Because it has that one, the Page of Pentacles. It has the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. So that may be what that is. And then the Two of Cups, Three of Cups, Four of Cups, Five of Cups, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the Ace of Cups, and that's pretty. See, I'm liking the art in the cards, but I'm not liking the same cards in the deck. The King of Cups, and that's really gorgeous. Guess it's the Child of Cups again. Could be. I have to look in the deck to see which one that is. That's a bit different. Page of Cups. And then they kind of start looking the same with the court cards. And the Two of Swords, the Three of Swords, Four of Swords, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is the Ace of Swords. See, they're kind of looking alike. The King of Swords. There goes the C one again, maybe the Child of Swords. The Page of Swords. Queen of Swords. The Two of Wands. Three of Wands. Four of Wands. Kind of sticky. There's 5 of Wands, 6 of Wands, 7 of Wands, 8 of Wands, 9 of Wands, 10, Ace of Wands, the King of Wands. They kind of look like playing cards to me. That's what they look like. Yeah, exactly what they look like. Child of Wands. Page of Wands. Let's get this Queen of Wands. Okay, I guess that was it for that. I like the gold trim. Let's see how they shuffle. like the way they shuffle. They shuffle pretty good. Yep. I'm going to pull a collective card for us. And then I'll get into the book so we can see what's in the book. Take one from the middle. The Queen of Swords. Somebody's gonna cut somebody off. No, he could be an intelligent person as well. So here is the book. Let's dive into this. I like this. I like the magician on the front page. Let me see what the content is. What do they have in here? Let's see. Okay, all of the cards. They have spreads, advice, practices, live by and meditate on, notes, and the author. So, this has colored pictures in it. Huge color pictures. I don't know, let me kind of bring that down a bit so you guys can see better. There we go. That's the colored pictures. Which is beautiful. And then looks like it has the planets in the back of what the signs of the planets are, what they mean, and those planets, which is cool. The elements, looks like, and the spreads. I'll go in here if you guys want to read, pause it and read that for one of them, like the sun. And let's see here. What else is back here? Lunar spread. There's a little spread there. A 7-point star spread on this page. 3 faith card spreads. Major and then past, present, future. Okay, tarot advice, yada yada. Let's see. That's the question. So, has some notes here from the author. So that's the book, you guys. The back of it. And let's see what the Queen of Swords. I'll read a little bit of that just to see what it says for her. There she goes. Charismatic and detached. She is a likable type with strong opinions and equally as pertinent willpower. Friendships are golden, and usually her success comes through having friends in the right places. Spiritual but logical, with incredible foresight, often misunderstood. So that's what they have for her. Alright, I hope you guys like it. This is the new deck. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye.